Welcome back to Sailing Joy. This past week was a very busy one here in Les Sables, France. We took delivery of our new Lagoon 46, installed the 4 solar panels and its support, got our rear camera also installed, so now we can see port and starboard side when backing up into a slip. Finalized installation of the spreader lights and the Yamaha engine integration with PNG electronics. Besides all of this, I had to spare some time to go along with Patricia to buy everything to decorate Joy. After all, this awesome new vessel will be our home for the unforeseeable future. Yes, there was a lot to do this past week before we set sail to La Coruña in Spain. So here are the last steps, disconnecting everything from the dock, the electricity. So we had 2 cables connected, one for the air conditioner and the other one for the electricity in the boat. So disconnecting everything, and then we'll start to maneuver Joy to get out here on the channel towards La Coruña in Spain. On this video, we will take you along our 2-day and 20-hour crossing to La Coruña. And for our next video, show you all that broke down during the crossing and what we will need to do to fix it.
Chegou o grande dia hoje de soltar as amarras da Joy e cair no mundão.
If you're not already a subscriber, take the time and subscribe now. That way you will not miss any future video of ours.
Saída, já estamos no mar, velejando, o dia tá bem bonito, só que não, tá cara de chuva, mas tá legal, tá tudo certo, é o que importa. Agora, o Duda vai levantar as velas para aproveitar o vento que tá aqui. Segundo dia da travessia, como estamos balançando.
And today is the second day of the crossing of the Bay of Biscay. We have left yesterday around 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, time in Les Sables. We had time to do a little bit a live video on YouTube, so if you haven't watched, it's over there. You can have a look on how our exit of Les Sables took place. And the thing, we were getting used to everything. And on the first day, as everything was new, we kind of lost track of time. And we looked at our watches, it was about, I don't know, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and we hadn't eaten anything. And as you guys know, I do get seasick a little bit. And one of the things that you cannot ever do is leave your stomach empty. So we rushed to try to do some food yesterday. At the same time that we were sailing, because the ocean was kind of high yesterday with a lot of wind and everything, so it was kind of tense, the exit of Les Sables, but everything worked out well. We gotta learn from our mistakes, because we're on day 2 today and it's 12 o'clock and we're already cooking. So today it's gonna be lasagna, and we're gonna use our oven here to cook the lasagna. The gas that we have is not very big, so I'm kind of hoping that I do not consume all of the gas just like doing this lasagna here. I have a couple of extras if that happens. And of course, we bought the electric stove as well, but we have to turn the generator on to work on that one. So this is gonna be ready maybe like in 15 minutes. And today is smooth sailing. The waves kind of lowered a little bit, so that's very good news. The wind is not that high, but it's a comfortable ride because, you know, we can stay here inside, do not get seasick. So that's what we're gonna do now. And in the afternoon, I'll show you guys a little bit more of what is going on here at Joy.
Estamos aqui no meio da Baía de Biscaia, acabou o vento, não pescamos nenhum peixe ainda. Tô aqui comendo uma maçã, esperando o tempo passar. O mar tá bem calminho, tá bem gostoso de velejar. Aê, moleque! Então o negócio de deixar o motor ligado chama os peixes. Bora, vai! Ah, moleque, pegou um tubarão. Vai, Felipe, na raça.
Aí.
Vai, ficheiro pra lá. Vai, vai.
Ai, soltou.
Não acredito. Poxa, um trabalhão pra nada. A gente pegou 3 peixes e perdemos os 3. Falavam que essa travessia aqui era bem difícil. Por enquanto tá tudo ok. Peixe à vista! Perdemos! Mais um!
Pode ir embora já.
Não deu pra nós hoje. Levaram embora todas as nossas iscas. Cozinhar durante a travessia é super fácil, ó. Duda faz a massa, eu faço a saladinha. O barco dá uma balançadinha gostosa, mas tudo certo. Fala aí, chefe!
After our lunch, which by the way, it was pasta because we managed to lose all the fish we caught, we decided to do a jibe. And we made a rookie mistake here. We forgot to retrieve our lines from fishing poles and one of them got caught on the port propeller. Engine was not on, so I thought it would be a good idea to dive in and cut it off before turning the engine on. It is always unsettling to go into the water at a place that was about 200 meters deep and full of fish, dolphins and whales. Tense moments, even though there was not a lot of waves and wind, I could definitely feel the current throwing me away from Joy. Success! Line got freed up and we are now able to continue our journey. We're going into our third night here on the crossing, and tomorrow morning we're going to be arriving at La Coruña. The crossing was pretty good. The beginning of it was kind of rough for everybody, so some people got seasick, but not that bad. And now that we are arriving in La Coruña for the last, let's say 24 hours, it has been pretty good. The sea state has been fairly calm. It's getting a little bit, it's not bad at all, but it's maybe like a meter. Right now, before it was like half a meter. It was terrific. Today was like a sunny day. We're getting some clouds now, but we really enjoyed the day sailing along. Very, very smooth sailing. So tomorrow, probably around 9 o'clock in the morning, we arrive in La Coruña, and pretty much this past 3 days, Joy has been behaving extremely well. Wow, some dolphins just jumped over there. So we didn't have any It's over there. We didn't have anything break. Everything's functioning very well, especially the solar panels, which are new. The solar panels they have been recharging our batteries every day, so we didn't turn the generator on. We didn't have a need to turn the generator on. So this is very good, because I was not 100% sure that I was dimensioning the solar panels correctly, and I think it was good. We have 1440 watts total. It's like four solar panels of 360 each. It's been working very well. I'll show to you guys later on. And so now we're gonna stay a couple of days in La Coruña and get to see the city, take care a little bit of Joy, because it's very dirty and very salty. So that's what we're gonna do for the next few days. It was a great day, and time flew by with all of our activities. The night approached fast, and forecast was for a calm night. Little that we knew that forecast was not accurate. It was 1 o'clock in the morning, and we had to put all of our sails down since we were moving too fast at 11 knots. We also noticed a strange noise coming from our main halyard that later we discovered that a shackle that holds the main halyard got loose and was barely holding the mainsail up there. After 355 nautical miles, 2 days and 20 hours, we arrived safely in La Coruña, Spain. We definitely chose the right weather window for this crossing, as Bay of Biscay is notorious for bad weather. Would be awesome to say that we did not have any issues, but that would not be a true statement. Our Lagoon 46 did present some problems, and I will outline them all here for you. Important thing, as I already mentioned on my previous videos, will be to continue to have the full support of our dealer, that until now has given us exceptional support, making all of this truly a first-class experience. Thank you so much, Marcos and Mr. Mel from Sailing Yachts South America. Ocean crossings are demanding, especially the one at Bay of Biscay. Thank you so much, Felipe and Priscilla, for joining us on the first crossing of our Joy. So during our crossing, our main halyard totally shaved. We noticed here at the marina, we are in La Coruña already, and we're having wind coming from that direction, straight from the back of the boat, getting to up to 30 knots, 35 knots tops, and we noticed that the guys from Robin Marine simply forgot to put the screws right on